Well, in about an hour, Team USA will take on Finland for the bronze medal in hockey, and a local business opened early this morning to get ready for the crowds who will gather here to watch it. Our Lisa Vincent is live there at the Blue Line Bar. Having fun yet?
Well, they're not here yet. Right now, it seems, Amy, that everyone is a hockey fan. And like you said, they're expecting pretty large crowds, and they are getting ready for just that. I'm joined now live with Letty Siegel. She's the general manager here. Talk to me about the crowds you guys are expecting today, and what impact do you think the games are going to have on hockey fans in general?
Well, we normally get busy regardless during the hockey season, but right now, having the Olympics is for us is like a blast. We can't complain at all. We're like busy every single day, plus now when we have the Olympics, we have crazy people down here. Like every single second, we have a phone calls. Yesterday, like last night, like midnight, we have people calling about what time we open today, which we say we're going to be open at 8:30, so we can have it some time so then we can be ready. But for us, it's amazing how many people we get down here, like a lot.
And you guys are the only hockey bar in Kansas City. Do you feel like you guys are converting folks right now?
I think we are. I'm pretty sure we're the only hockey bar in town, and I don't think there's going to be another one either. Even if it's another one, maybe it's going to be us. I mean, we're very proud to be the Blue Line, the only hockey bar in here, and I think we're taking all advantage right now because everybody knows about the Blue Line. Thanks to you guys, too.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. And like you said, the game is going to start at 9 o'clock. And right now, Finland is competing for its 4th medal, and the USA is looking for its 3rd. But, of course, we are pulling for USA. Reporting live, Lisa Vincent, 41 Action News.
All right, have fun out there.